Hey everybody, today we are going to be going over a Clausing 5914 lathe that we got in the shop here. We're just going to kind of go over some of the features and functions of the lathe, let you see it running, stuff like that. So yeah, for starters, this one comes with the collet closer as well as a fair amount of collets. There is more tooling that goes with this lathe in particular that will be in the product listing along with the price and stuff. There'll be a link for that in the description then. Collet closer, hydraulic variable speed. It's got the master gear for the headstock, and then this will be your speed ranges within those two gears. We've got the threading gearbox for the carriage and everything like that. Pretty straightforward, very nice lathe altogether. We're going to go turn it on here for you. This is your forward and reverse tab. This is your engage lever down here. And then this will be your variable speed. Wide open. We're going to keep it at about right there for operating the threading. You want to turn the lathe off to engage your threading gearbox down here for the carriage. We're going to turn this on. Down here would obviously be your different selections for the different speed and threading ranges, along with this one here. We're not going to go over each speed in this video, but just showing you how that works and where that's at. Over here we have the engage lever for the carriage or apron. Right here we have the engage lever for the auto cross feed. Everything's quite tight, I would say, for the age of this lathe. Everything's still, it's got a little bit of play in the cross slide, a little bit of play in the compound cross slide as well, but not a whole terrible lot. It does come with the steady rest. Obviously the tailstock works very well, very smooth and very tight, does not have slop like a lot of them do. You got the manual spanner wrench. Again, there'll be a link with the listing with all the other tooling. There's quite a bit of cutting tools and tool holders, as well as the turret tailstock assembly for this lathe. So that is included as well. You got forward and reverse. This again is your engage and disengage lever for the clutch. And that turns your lathe off. Again, pretty straightforward lathe, very nice lathe for the age. Everything is relatively tight. It's not new, but it's obviously in excellent condition still. It has been repainted, very high grade, industrial grade paint. So yeah, if you are interested in purchasing this lathe, it is for sale on our website. Again, link in the description for that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, like and subscribe.